All right, let's dive into one of the most exciting things happening in AI right now. It's a tool that's absolutely taken the internet by storm, but probably not by its official name. No, everyone's calling it Nano Banana. So what's the deal with that name? Let's get into it.
So yeah, you've probably seen this name popping up, Nano Banana. It sounds kind of fun, right? A little weird, maybe a little bit mysterious. So what is it really? Well, we're about to find out.
And there you have it. Nano Banana is what the internet has affectionately nicknamed this super powerful new image editing model that lives inside Google's Gemini app. And the name? It literally just bubbled up from meme culture. It's one of those things that's just so catchy and fun that it's stuck. And now this high-tech tool has a super playful identity.
Okay, but don't let the silly name fool you, because underneath it is some seriously heavy-duty technology. The official name is Gemini 2.5 Flash Image, and this isn't just some run-of-the-mill tool. We're talking about what Google says is the top-rated image editing model in the entire world. So yeah, the name is fun, but the tech is the real deal.
And you know what's great? Google has totally embraced the nickname. In their own announcement, they said people have been going, you guessed it, bananas over the early previews. It's just a perfect example of how the excitement from users can actually end up shaping the story of a new technology.
So that brings us to our next part, the end of Almost You. This is all about the huge breakthrough in what's called character consistency.
We have all been there. You try to use AI to put yourself in a new photo, and what you get back looks kind of like you, but not really. It's like a weird, long-lost cousin. That close, but not quite the same feeling has been the #1 frustration with AI image editing, getting it to keep you, or your pet, looking consistently like you across different pictures.
And this right here just sums it up perfectly. We're finally moving past that old problem of close, but not quite the same, and into a whole new world of always you. This is the breakthrough. It means that when you edit a photo of yourself, the AI actually makes sure the person in the new picture is, still you.
And this is where it gets really, really fun. You want to see what you'd look like with a wild 60s beehive haircut? Go for it. Or, I don't know, maybe put a little tutu on your chihuahua. You can do that now. And the AI keeps you looking like you and your dog looking like your dog. It's all about total creative freedom without losing who you are. Okay, next up, your new creative tools. Think of this as a brand new playground of possibilities. So here are the 4 big things you can do. 1. You can give yourself a total costume change or drop yourself into a new location. 2. You can blend different photos together to create a brand new scene. 3. You can use something called multi-turn editing, which is basically like having a back-and-forth conversation with the AI to build your image step by step. And 4. You can mix up designs and apply styles from one thing to another.
Let me give you a couple of examples to make that real. Imagine taking the beautiful, intricate pattern from a butterfly's wings and just applying it to a dress you're wearing in a photo. Or you could take a picture of you, a picture of your dog, and seamlessly blend you both onto a basketball court. That's the kind of insane creative control we're now talking about.
All right, so how do you actually get from a prompt to a picture? How can you start using this thing? Well, it's probably way easier than you think.
Getting started is honestly super simple. It really boils down to 3 steps. First, you just write a description of what you want, your prompt, and upload your picture. Step 2, you just click Run and let the AI do its thing. And finally, Step 3, once you have the result, you can tweak it a bit more if you want, and then just download it. That's it.
And here's the best part. You can try this yourself right now. Just head over to Google AI Studio. When you get there, you'll want to look for the model that's called Gemini 2.5 Flash Image Preview. You can just start playing around with it.
So for our last section, let's zoom out a little bit. Who is this actually for, and what kind of impact is it going to have on creativity?
The impact here is huge, and it's super broad. For creators, it means you can bring these wild ideas in your head to life without needing to be a Photoshop wizard. For brands and designers, it's a total game changer for making marketing materials that are consistent. Think about e-commerce. You can generate product mock-ups instantly. And of course, for all of us everyday users, it means we can edit photos and create cool art without any professional skills.
Now here's a really important detail. Google is being very serious about transparency. Every single image that you create or edit with this tool gets 2 kinds of watermarks. There's a visible one and an invisible digital one called SynthID. This just makes sure that it's always clear when an image was made with AI. And that kind of brings us to a final big question. When you have a tool this powerful and this easy for anyone to use, it really makes you wonder, right? Are we heading into a new era where every single photo we take isn't just the end product, but actually the starting point for a whole new creation? It's pretty wild to think about.